Got another one, baby. Got another one.
Stand by for important weather information.
Got another one.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clay County and southeast Kentucky, east central Laurel County and south central Kentucky until 2:45 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near London Corbin Airport and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lesbos, Deer Lick, Lida, Cane Creek, Marybelle, Blackwater, Sasser, Lake, Bush, Hooker, Pigeon Roost, Cottonton, Heron, John C., Cybert, Park Valley, Hyma, House, and Horse Creek Junction. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following county: Clay, Kentucky,